You can see the side view. This is the Rangamati Lake. This is the DC Bungalow. This board is, see the board. The sun is in full swing, scorching now. You can see the water. How beautiful it is. See the lake view. Beautiful. Other boats are coming. Here in Thiach. See the big hills. Nice, very nice. So this is all about from side view of Rangamati Lake. Have a nice day. See you in another video next time.